Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing about MS Word. In previous part we discussed about how to insert header and footer in a document. So today I will tell you how can you insert an image in a document and how can you do simple editing in your image. So without wasting any time, let's start. MS Word provides you many different ways to insert a picture in your document. So you can insert a picture from your computer or you can also insert a picture with the help of internet. So now I will tell you both the ways to insert a picture in your document. So to insert a picture, you just have to click on Insert tab. After clicking on Insert tab, click on the picture option in Illustration group. Now select that particular picture and click on Insert. So it will insert that particular picture in your document. So now you can see if I would like to change the position of this image, I can't. So मतलब कि जब भी आप कोई पिक्चर इंसर्ट करते हैं और आप उसको किसी अदर पोजीशन पे रखना चाहते हैं तो वो आपकी पोजीशन पे नहीं रखी जाती है. सो पिक्चर की पोजीशन को चेंज करने के लिए आपको उसकी पोजीशन को सेट करना होगा. तो तब जाकर आप उसको किसी भी एक पोजीशन पर अपने अकॉर्डिंग सेट कर सकते हैं. So now I am going to click on position option. So you can select any position as per your need. And there is also another option. As you can see, the second option is of wrap text. So you can also select a suitable option as per your need. This time I am going to choose in front of text. So it will paste our image in front of text. So now as you can see, after clicking, now our image is in front of text. So now you can easily move it anywhere on the screen. Now it is looking perfect. So that is all. How can we insert a picture of our PC or of our computer? So now I will tell you how to insert an online picture in your document. So to insert an online picture, you again have to click on Insert tab, and this time I will select online pictures. So as you can see, it is showing this type of interface. So in online pictures, you can search any picture with the help of Bing. So now I am going to search a picture of keyboard keys. Click enter. So it will show you different options. So you can select any picture as per your need. This picture is looking great. So I am going to insert this one. Click on the picture and then click insert. So it will insert this picture. Now resize the image by clicking on the side handles. So it will resize your image. Now this time again we have to click on the position or wrap text. So I am going to click on wrap text, but this time I will choose another option. I think square is the best. So if I will choose square, so it will show our picture just like this. So you can choose any one of them. So tight is looking more suitable. So I am going to click on tight. After clicking, you can also change the position like this. Now it's perfect. So these are some ways by which you can insert a picture from your PC or you can insert an online picture easily in your document. Now we will learn some picture editing in our document. पिक्चर एडिटिंग होता क्या है? पिक्चर एडिटिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि आप लोग अपनी पिक्चर की कलर्स चेंज कर सकते हैं, उसकी शेप चेंज कर सकते हैं और उसमें कुछ सिंपल एडिटिंग्स कर सकते हैं. So now let's learn how to do a simple editing. Firstly, I am going to crop this image. Crop is used to resize your image. you can crop the unwanted part of your image. As you can see, now I am going to crop it from the right and left side. So now, as you can see, the dark area cropped. Again, from the left side also. After cropping, you just have to click on crop command. So it will crop this image. Now it is looking good. But if you will click on drop down arrow, it will show you some functions. So you can crop it in any shape. So I am going to choose this one. So it will match this theme. Now there are some more options are available in adjust group. You can easily adjust some corrections, like you can change the contrast, sharpen image, you can change the brightness. So you can choose any command as per your need. Now I am going to select this one. It is looking very attractive. You can also change the colors. So it is showing some situations, color tones, and you can also recolor your image. So now I am going to change the color tone. Third option is of artistic effect. So you can choose any effect if you want. So now I am going to choose last one. So it will make my image just like a painting. So click on this one. Now you can see the difference. You can also add some frame on your picture just like this. So it is showing some frame. If you don't want, you can apply a border. So to apply a border, just click on picture border and select any color. Now border is not visible, so I am going to increase the weight. Now it is visible. Next option is of picture effects. So I can change the picture effects as per my need. So these were some simple picture editing in a document. So I hope आपको ये सब एडिटिंग समझ आई होगी, और इन सब स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके आप इजीली किसी भी एक डॉक्यूमेंट को काफ़ी ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव बना सकते हैं। अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी होती है रिगार्डिंग एनी वीडियो, so you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. So I hope it's clear. So that is it for today, students. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.